You've been doing your kettlebell press all wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you the top secret the kettlebell pros use to crush heavy kettlebells and make consistent progress in strength, getting fitter, getting better safely. Let's jump right into it. So the kettlebell press is a powerful exercise that can utilize full body strength, that can develop your strength, that can develop your shoulder strength, your shoulder mobility and stability. But if you do it wrong, you can injure yourself or worse. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to get that foundation solid and strong so you could press excellent and strong weights. All right. So first step is a strong foundation. You have to have a strong foundation. That's the tip, is a strong foundation, strong full body tension. Remembering that the kettlebell press is not just a relaxed type, you're not just pressing like this. All right, that is a common mistake that I want you to avoid. Just thinking you're just gonna be pressing kind of just halfway, paying attention, halfway body, just like that. That's not how you do a kettlebell press. A kettlebell press is a full body engagement, full body tension, full body exercise. If you do it right, you're gonna create full body, you're gonna create tension in your abs, your glutes, your hamstrings, everything's gonna be channeling that energy up to the press, and you're gonna get strong overall because of it, okay? That leads to, that's the full body tension you need to create while you're doing that. That's the tip, is full body tension, full body engagement. It's a full body exercise. And this is how you do it. You grip the ground with your toes, or you have minimal shoes, you're gripping, you're creating that tension, and you're pressing strong overhead. That's the next tip, was the breath. You have to have your power breath. Pressing strong overhead, pulling down, pressing strong overhead. Okay, nothing should be relaxed. Your entire body should be engaged. If it's relaxed, you're not doing it right. Or you're losing some energy, you're losing some tension, you're losing some strength that you can be utilizing while you're doing the press. Okay, so every single press is full body tension. Okay, once you clean that kettlebell up, you tighten, your abs are engaged, your elbows down, your full body tension, you're squeezing this other fist. It's not just relaxed here, it's tight. You're channeling all the energy up, your abs are engaged, all right? Your legs are engaged, your quads are locked in, your knees, everything's tight, all right? So that when you press, it's like it's a lighter. You'll know you're doing it right when the bell shoots up, okay? You press it right overhead. The same technique is applied to different weights of the kettlebell. Once you do this, you'll be able to lift and press heavier weights safely. So no matter the weight, same thing applies. You create that tension, you grip the ground with your toe, you squeeze your fist, vertical forearm driving overhead, and you shoot it up, just like this. Shoot it up, pull down, shoot it up, pull down, just like that, okay? Once you start to create that full body tension, you're gonna feel everything engaged. Your whole body should be engaged. That is the key tip, full body tension. Once you do this, you'll start to feel stronger. You start to feel like you're more stable when you're pressing that ball overhead, and you'll be able to support your shoulder more as you press it over here. Press it overhead. Key tip as well is to fully lock out at the top. Lock out so your tricep is engaged to help you support that shoulder. Okay, get your tricep involved more than it already is. So practice the press. All right, practice this tip. Full body tension. Use a light bell. Get the bell up, clean it up, tight, lock in abs, quads, glutes, everything's tight. Okay, practice that tension, practice that exercise. Then when you have everything tight, you press it up. Okay, so practice cleaning it up, tight, press it up. Okay, re-clean it up, tight, press it up. Okay, that is the top tip That's gonna allow you to have press stronger, press safer, and be more consistent with your kettlebell presses. It's a full body exercise, full body tension, full body engagement. You're gonna get stronger, fitter, and do it safely because you're doing it correctly with this top tip. So practice these exercises, practice the tip that I just showed you, full body tension, abs engaged, press it up strong. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll coach you and help you, guide you through this process. All right, and if you want a full body kettlebell workout, I just thought I want to throw this in there. I have a full 10-minute full body kettlebell workout that involves the press, it involves the swing, and some other kettlebell exercises you can start to do. Once you get this press down, you start to do this exercise, and you want a workout you can just do in 10 minutes, one kettlebell. KB10 in the comments, I'll shoot that over to you. You can start practicing, getting stronger, and getting better with one kettlebell and enjoying that. And there's no excuses for time because it's only 10 minutes. So KB10 if you want that. In other words, thanks for watching this video. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Keep training strong, get your press down, get stronger, get better, get fitter, and enjoy the process. Have an awesome day.